Have you ever tried to make sushi at home, but they were out of shape and not delicious? Today, we're going to show you all techniques to make those 5 basic sushi. Watch this video till the end and you'll become sushi master. During the rice is cooking, first, we start with our sushi vinegar. Make sure you stir well until they all melt. Now the rice ready. We can put the vinegar in for few times separately. Instead of stir hard, we can try to stir gently and cut in. That allow us to have a better texture of the rice. Use a wet towel to cover and sit until room temperature. We have these freshly cut ingredients ready. And next, we're going to show you how to make this delicious teriyaki chicken. It's time to move forward to the next step. As you can see, the chickens are fully cooked and the sauce is sticky. Get some nori, Japanese mayonnaise, and of course wasabi. Sushi mat is a must and wrap it on. Okay, let's start with the small roll, hosomaki. We're gonna find out the rougher side and the finer side. Rice on the rougher surface, and the finer surface is for the outside. As you don't want the sticky rice drive your hands crazy. So have a water bowl next to you. It's a life-saving idea. Put thin layer of rice on, and we try to leave about 1 centimeter space on the top. We chose to use cucumber in the small roll as demonstration today. But you can put anything you like for sure. With this small roll, we try to roll and press for 3 times. pull it up and press, and do it again and press until nice and square. You probably don't believe the smallest one actually the hardest. It's supposed to be one bite finish, so we recommend to cut into 6. The second style is inside-out roll, uramaki. Cut the nori into half and put rice on all surface. You only need to press and roll for 2 times. It is very important to leave some space before you roll it. Remember, just press gently to make the shape beautiful. You can top up anything you like. We chose to use sesame. We recommend to cut into 6 or 8. And the third style is the classic one, sushi roll, maki sushi. Use the same technique as inside-out roll. Roll up and press twice. And cut off the extension part. This classic rolls is very handy. You can bring it everywhere. Cut or not, it's up to you. The fourth style is baked roll, futomaki. Compared with the classic one, you can put more rice in. We can put more ingredients into this sushi roll, as its name baked roll. This is actually the most easiest roll. Same again, you will only need 2 times to finish the process. And the final one is hand roll, temaki sushi. Make a hand roll looks easy, but actually it can be harder than you imagine. Grab some rice and make an almond shape at the corner. We personally love some wasabi with the salmons. But if you're scared of spicy, you can think about to top this up later.